Hi, thanks for checking out this video. So in this video, what we are going to do is show you the steps to get a low maintenance system in place for both your live and your recorded events. So whether you want to do a live event, you want to record it, make it available for everyone who has previously signed up, or if you want to have it as a way to engage people through social media and have people enter in their name and email to watch your entire video or your instant replay, you can use Jet as a solution to do that as well. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So in here, if you are doing a live event where you are, let's say it's more of like a webinar format, or you have a group of people speaking to a larger audience where people sign up through a page for an event in advance, that would be like a live event. If it's a meeting and you're just doing a quick jump on and you want to chat with someone really quickly, you just share them the meeting room link, and then you can start up an event and record it. Or that could be more of a podcast type of setup, or just a simple meeting that you want to record for documentation. So there's a couple different ways where you can host live events, but no matter what, when you go live, so even if you're just doing like a simple meeting, you're jumping in a room, and when you jump in the room, you want to click record. This is that process, right?
Right.
So after you do that, whether it's in a meeting room, same process for a webinar or a live event, same process of
Or
recording. And so after when it's recorded, it is available in the media section. So here in the media section, now you have access to that video. It looks like it already caught that one right there. So you have access to that video. You can download it. You can do whatever you need to make edits, and a couple different ways you can use those videos is can be through advertisements. They can be YouTube ads where you have people um, see a short clip, and then they can enter in their name and email to see the rest of it, and we can have the system to help set you up like that. Or it can be for after an event is over and you want to again send them that replay video. So in here, when you're hosting an event, if you just wanted to create like an instant replay, something similar to this, where they just can watch it right now, they can enter in their name and email address, and then after they sign up, so I can just kind of go through this process right now. So after they
that.
sign
So
up.
we are officially
Oh,
recording there.
okay. So after they sign up, they're just watching an instant replay, and then we can chat, have call to actions, or it can just be a replay where they can just watch a normal video after we collected their information. Um, so there's a couple different ways where you can manage that, but that would be just the process of uh, again doing an event, using that, creating an asset, collecting someone's information, and then promoting that through different social media channels to get more exposure and more education out there in the market. So hopefully that helps you a little bit as far as how to use this for more exposure, and how to use it as more of a reoccurring marketing asset and training resource. So hope this helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to support at jetwebinar.com or support at Business Hangouts. You can ask any questions here in the support thread, and we'll be more than happy to help walk you through. And if you have any questions about getting more people to your events, we can absolutely help you out with that as well. And you can chat with sales directly through here. Well, thank you very much, and we will talk soon. Have a great one.